Here's how to verify your identity on Kraken step by step. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. From your dashboard, click on the Verify Identity button. This kicks off the verification process. Step 2. Fill out your basic personal info: name, date of birth, country, and address. Once that's done, hit Continue. Step 3. Kraken will ask you to complete a financial questionnaire. You'll select your purpose of use, source of income, and trading expectations. Just be honest here, then click Continue. Step 4. It's time to upload your identity document. You can use a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Choose your issuing country, then pick your document type. You've got 3 options to upload a photo from your device. Continue on mobile, or take a live photo right there. Step 5. Kraken requires a selfie check. Use your camera to take a live selfie so they can match it with your ID. Once that's complete, you can check your verification status by clicking on your profile avatar, going into Settings, Verification tab. There you'll see if your documents are approved or if you need to resubmit anything, and that's it. You're verified and ready to trade on Kraken. If this guide helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.